In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the CapCut reverse button not working. If you've ever tried to reverse a clip in CapCut and found that the reverse button doesn't seem to work, you're not alone. This can be a common issue, especially if your clip has multiple edits, effects, or other complications. But don't worry, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to troubleshoot and fix this problem step by step. Whether you're working on a simple project or something more complex, I'll guide you through the entire process to get that reverse effect working smoothly. Now, before we dive into the steps, if you're new to CapCut and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to download and get started for free. Alright, let's begin by addressing the most effective way to fix this issue: exporting and re-importing the clip. First, locate the specific clip that you want to reverse in your CapCut project. It's important to select just that single clip, because CapCut can sometimes struggle to apply the reverse effect when a clip has multiple edits or effects layered onto it. By isolating the clip, we make the process much simpler. Once you've selected the clip, export it as a clean video file. Here's an important tip. Make sure that the export doesn't include any extra effects, transitions, or additional layers from your project. This ensures that we're working with a fresh, unaltered version of the clip, which will make the next steps much easier. After exporting, close your current project in CapCut. This is a critical step because we want to start fresh without any leftover settings or potential glitches from the current project affecting the process. Next, start a brand new project in CapCut. Once you're in the new project, import the video file you just exported. This file should now be a clean, standalone clip. Add the imported clip to your timeline, and now here's the moment we've been waiting for. Click the reverse button on the timeline clip. By importing the clip into a new project, we've essentially reset any hidden glitches or conflicts that might have been preventing the reverse function from working. The software treats the clip as a brand new file, which helps eliminate the issue. If that process doesn't solve the problem, don't worry, there are additional troubleshooting steps you can try. First, restart the CapCut application. Sometimes a quick restart can resolve minor software hiccups that may be interfering with the reverse function. If that doesn't help, restart your computer or device entirely. A full system reboot can clear out temporary glitches that could be affecting the software. Another important step you can take is to clear CapCut's cache. To do this, go into the settings menu within the app. Clearing the cache removes any corrupted temporary files that might be interfering with the reverse feature. This is especially helpful if you've been using CapCut extensively and haven't cleared the cache in a while. Next, double-check that the clip you want to reverse has been added to the timeline. The reverse button in CapCut only works for clips that are actively placed on the timeline. It won't function for clips sitting in the media bin. So, if you're not seeing the reverse option, make sure the clip is properly added to your timeline. Finally, ensure that your CapCut app is up to date. Check for any available updates and install the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements, so running an outdated version of the app might be the reason why the reverse button isn't working as expected. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to fix any issues with the CapCut reverse button not working. From exporting and re-importing your clip to clearing the cache and updating the app, these methods cover all the potential problem areas to get you back on track. If you have any other CapCut tips or troubleshooting questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.